Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2010 Mini Cooper S. So the first thing we do is make sure that Bluetooth is switched on. And then we're looking out at the bottom here, but over to the radio, onto menu, and you see there, telephone config mini. We want telephone, select telephone. And then you've got search, which is this button here, Bluetooth here. So we want search. Bluetooth device is pairable to ensure functionality. It's already come up, mini. So we'll click on that. External device ready, help, reject and add. We want to put a passkey in, so I'm going to put 000 in, click OK, 000, click pair, allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow, and that should be done. There you go, mini connected. That's it.